Conceivable disclosure of appeal quark in protons shocks physicists. AMSTERDAM, Holland, conventional reading material expressed that protons contain 2 up quarks and 1 down quark. In any case, presently there is strong proof that protons likewise contain an appeal quark. A pictorial portrayal of a traditional proton showing the enormous red up quarks and the down quark in the blue circle. Coursebooks let us know that the proton is the core of each and every molecule, except its interior construction has now become more muddled. This has been affirmed by the delicate investigations of the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. The proton molecule was thought of as unbreakable for quite a while, however a few examinations during the 1960s uncovered that it contains 3 additional minuscule particles or quarks. 6 kinds of quarks, otherwise called flavors, have been found up until this point. That is, there are up, down, top, base, bizarre and fascinate quarks. This is valid to the extent that old-style physical science goes, yet when we discuss quantum mechanics, having different quarks inside the proton is issue, including antimatter, is hypothetically conceivable. Then, at that point, in 1980, tests called the European Muon collaboration were directed at CERN, a significant community for molecule gas pedals. This prompted the likelihood that there may be an appeal quark inside the proton and its antimatter molecule, the antiquark. In any case, further outcomes arrived at no convincing decision and a warm discussion broke out among the specialists. From that point forward, some proof has arisen for additional parts of the appeal in protons, yet unique examination bunches have concocted unique and fundamentally unrelated outcomes. The explanation was that an atom smasher has a high energy climate where a wide range of quarks are made and obliterated. Presently, Professor Juan Rojo of the University of Amsterdam in the Netherlands and his partners have assessed that a little part of the proton's force, 0.5%, is because of the appeal quark. It is an astonishing revelation that following quite a while of exploration we are as yet finding new properties of the proton, particularly its new parts, said Professor Juan. For this, specialists directed a fascinating trial. They fabricated an AI model to isolate or recognize the appeal parts, including a speculative design of protons containing quarks of each flavor. In the subsequent stage, they contrasted this and 50,000 genuine occasions of subatomic molecule impacts in molecule gas pedals over many years. AI models in material science can show us a ton, and they can concoct totally various outcomes with no assumptions or predispositions. Research has shown that assuming there was no appeal and hostile to engage quark pair inside the proton, the likelihood of the result would have been just 0.3. Specialists call these 3 sigma results, which in logical speech demonstrate the presence of a possibly huge peculiarity. Be that as it may, better outcomes in tests will be important to arrive at the sigma 5 level. A similar group likewise checked on explores different avenues regarding the Zeit boson molecule at the Large Hadron Collider that were as of late distributed. Appropriately, they analyzed the proton force with and without the appeal quark. Then it worked out that the model came out better when it contained an appeal quark. Presently, leaving the sigma level, there is better proof that protons might contain charged quarks. Nonetheless, different specialists have said that we actually have barely any familiarity with essential subparticles and that there is something else to be learned. Thank you so much you are watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comments. See you in the next video. The techytube.